Come with us to the Lake of Zürich. First, we entered the train and got down at Zürich Stadelhofen, which is very close to the lake. From there, we entered the boat for a small cruise. The weather was amazing, and so was the view. Even Chucky enjoyed it. From a distance, we could see the snowy mountains, and close by, the waves of the ship. Once we reached the other side of the lake, we got down, and Chucky enjoyed the water. We waved our ship goodbye and simply enjoyed the view and relaxed before it was time to head back home. Of course, Nierogo was exhausted after a full day outside. This is how we spent our day in Zurich.